Hello, I'm Joseph S. Farazi, DC, and I'd like to introduce you to my next class. This class is Neurology 201 Introduction. This is a 3-credit hour course. This course contains about 1 hour of an introduction to the neurology program. The second hour is anatomy of the bony spine and skull. And then the third hour, I think you'll really enjoy. I had the opportunity, I was at the University of Missouri, St. Louis, with a neurosurgeon and an anatomist that were there, and we dissected the cervical spine and exposed the vertebral artery. And so I narrate my way through that with you, and I think that's something that every chiropractor should be very well aware of, is the anatomy of the neck. So I certainly hope that you will enjoy this class. Thanks.